Hi guys, so in this part of the lesson I'm going to be showing you steps that you can take to create a best-selling Kindle ebook. So it's not just about writing the book and making a sale from it. There are things that gives you a competitive edge on Amazon, and that is being a bestseller on Amazon. And there are simple steps you can take to make your book outstanding on Amazon. So when I talk about creating a bestseller is basically somebody that is selling the most book in a category on Amazon Kindle, and they have this tag bestseller on the platform. So let me show you what Amazon Kindle bestseller looks like on Amazon. So I'm going to be writing amazon.com. So when you go to amazon.com, you will see this. So let's go to Kindle. Let's go to Kindle store. Let's scroll down until you see Kindle store. So when you see Kindle store, you can click on Kindle store and let's search for, okay, let's say public speaking. You can see that this is a bestseller in this particular category. And okay, this will not show on your laptop because this is an extension. We're still going to get to that. So you can see that this is a bestseller in the category of automotive insurance books, automotive insurance Kindle ebooks, and number 2 in basketball coaching. So for you to get to this point, so there are steps you need to take, and these steps can include finding out an audience who are willing to buy your book. So the question is, who are you writing for? Who will buy your book? Who are you publishing for? What audience markets are you penetrating? And number 2, ask yourself, what exactly do they want? So if you find people who need your book, what exactly do they want? Because it's not enough to know the audience that you're publishing, so you need to know exactly what they want. Because you can know somebody who wants a cure for obesity, and then you go on and publish nonsense that the person wouldn't want to read, right? You want to know exactly what they want. And number 3 is you position yourself properly as an authority in that field. We'll still hammer on this later on how you can use the author name to achieve this goal. And number 4, you can go ahead and create exactly what they want. Because you know what they want, you are positioned in a way to provide exactly what they want. You can use attractive covers, hooking titles, and interesting descriptions. If you're a marketer reading this course, taking this course, you know what AIDA means. It means attention, interest, desire, and action. So all these variables like covers, titles, subtitles, description are all steps you can take, make them very, very convincing that the person finds it hard not to buy your book. So number 6 is, can they find your product? Is your product easily accessible? What would they type to get your product? At what niche are you publishing in, and are they at that niche? Number 3 is it worth their money if they find it? Is it worth their money if they find it? Make sure you have a quality book that you are selling, so that if you sell a book in this particular niche and then you publish another one in that niche again, people that read the previous one will be more than happy to buy the second one. Number 8 is use the pricing technique you will learn here to make it competitive. So pricing is very important in Amazon, and that could be one of the reasons why you're selling more than the other person. So you use a pricing technique that you're going to learn from this course for that particular purpose too. So what separates you from the average seller can be the little things you do differently, right? So like I always advise my students, creating a book is one thing, creating a well-sold bestseller is another. The difference could be one more effort in the process. So it could be that you decided to design your cover very, very well, or you make a little change on your subtitle and make it very, very interesting. It could be just one single variable. So let's talk about book titles. Book title plays an important role in the conversion rate of your book. This is with other subtitle variables as subtitles, cover pictures, table of contents, and introduction is as important too. So these variables work together to play a very important role in the conversion rate of your book. So making your book title a hook. These are words that stick, attracts, and hooks. Such words can include secrets, revealed, posted, surprise, etc. So you have to read about these hooks when it comes to titles, and I advise you read the book Sell Like Crazy by Sabri. In this book, you're going to be learning a whole lot about sales and how to use these headlines to capture people's attention. You'll find the keywords for your book and add it to your book title and subtitle. So let's see how we can do that. So if you're asked to find the keywords for your book and add it to your book title, you can say, for example, your book title is Time Management 6 Secrets, right? Your subtitle is 5 Proven Time Tested Secrets of Time Management Top Executives Have Been Hiding from You. So you can see that, let me annotate this for a second so that you see what I'm saying. So you can see that we said here, find the keywords for your book and add it both in your book title and subtitle, right? So we'll show how to find your keywords for your book in this lesson. So let's assume that the title of the book is Time Management Secrets. You can see how this title is also infused in the subtitle. So you can see it said 5 proven and time-tested secrets of time management. Right? You can see that this is already covered in the title, in the subtitle. So always make sure that your subtitle has the elements that your title have. This makes your book more visible. This makes it more accessible, and it makes it more searchable for your audience. So if the person is looking for a time management secret book and it types top executives, you're coming out. It types time tested secrets, you're coming out. Types time management, you're coming out. So we are still going to be talking more on how to make your book visible later in this course, and I hope you got something from this. Please make sure that you're writing down these things on paper so that you will always remember, because some of us get tricked by our brain telling us that we can retain everything. Please make sure that you're writing something down, and I hope you got something from this, and I'll see you in the next lesson.